How to crop a video on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to crop a video on TikTok. So let's begin. Just a disclaimer, unfortunately TikTok still doesn't have a crop option inside the app. So what we are going to do is to use other apps. So you may use Photos app if you are using iOS, or you may also download the CapCut app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. So let's go ahead first using the Photos app. So once you open Photos app, you just simply go to your video that you want and simply click on Edit found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then go to this option right here, which is the crop option, and then choose or resize the video to whichever size you want. You may choose a ratio right here or size by clicking on it, and then you may choose square, the 9:16, and the other ratios or sizes right here. So once you're done, click on done found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then that's it. So if you're using CapCut, you simply click on new project, choose the video that you want, and then make sure first to click on that video and swipe left and look for this edit button right here. So click on that edit button and then click on crop, and then choose the size or the ratio that you want. So again, if you are done, simply click on the check button found on the lower right corner of the screen and then export it right here. And then now you may go to TikTok, press on this plus button right here, upload your video, and then that's it. That's how you can crop a video on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.